As PMs, there are a lot of frameworks, mental models, uh, AI tools, prompts, many things that we use day to day in order to make our life easier. Today, I'm gonna show you one very interesting method that I use in order to store or index different mental models, frameworks that I get from different places by to reading, to references, everything. And I'm gonna explain to you like the process that I use to store this, so that I can easily retrieve this whenever I need it, right? In your Boost models. So let's look at this, right? On the screen, you can see a page that I have created on Notion. So I'm gonna explain to you like how you could probably create something like this to store different frameworks, mental models, tools, prompts, everything, right? Whenever required, right? So if you see on the screen, what I have shown example is basically a mental models dictionary that I have created in order to store the different frameworks, mental models that I see throughout the day through different sources. Right. So let's take this example, right? 7 habits of highly effective people, right? So this is a concept that I have got from one of the books. So I have basically stored this in a Notion database where I have put that framework to it. What is an efficient of the framework? I have written from where I learned this. In this case, it is from Stephen R. Covey's book. The topic is basically organizational design, and the subtopic is organization design, and the topic is management. Right. Similarly, let's say tomorrow I come across another concept, right? So let's name it as a star concept. So, star concept is basically an interview concept where you explain one of your experiences in a star format, right? So, framework for interviews where you share your experiences through a star framework is as a situation. So you explain basically what was the situation. T was the task to date. P is the mm, action you took, and then R is lesson, right? So whenever somebody asks you about some of your experiences, you could probably use this framework to explain it to them, so that this easily broken down to them, right? So now we could write like, yeah, this is a I got from YouTube. Uh, a topic is basically um, PMW's, yeah, the main topic and the interview preparation. The way I could say storytelling, right? So, right. So by doing this, basically you would be able to capture all your different kinds of um, frameworks that you learn, techniques that you learned, concepts that you learned from different sources. You could store it in one place, and then you could easily search for it and retrieve. Right. So if I now type start, basically it shows me that, right? So let's say I type interview, it shows me all these things, right? So this is a very easy way to store and index the different frameworks that you have done from different sources in one place, right? I mean, the tool I use for is Notion. So go to notion.com, notion.so. You'll be able to see the platform, and then from there you could probably uh, begin a page and then tools, right? I'll show you another one that I use for prompts. Uh, so basically, I've created a prompts dictionary, and there I stored prompts in one single place, right? So you could see this is different prompts that I had stored, right? So we give you platform as ChatGPT to give the prompt, right? From where which source I got it, right? Let's say super newsletter, right? You put store space. I'll also show you how to probably create this. So let's say you pick a new page. You go to this. You could say that this or no, the podcast or something. You would say put it. And then from here you could put slash database, very full page. And here you could add the different columns you require, right? Like, so once the name, it put XYTB, TM and concept database, right? Like, we put, let's say, name, framework, description, right? That's it. And then you can start creating your thing, right? So let's say e-canvas can be one of the concept, but canvas is wait, you put use for building MVPs of products. Right? So this way you could store all the different kind of concepts in one place and it is searchable. Mm. You could use Notion for this. It's a wonderful tool for it. So check out. I much of around shared the different frameworks that I personally use. Right, use database of frameworks, dictionary that I picked in the uh, description for you to refer. But feel free to use this method in order to log the different kinds of concepts, everything that you see later, like, right? So that way it's very easy for you to index and search it, right? Whatever it is. So hope you find this useful. Until next time, so signing off.